I have a spider here. It's a zigzag web. Any idea what he is? You'll have to tell me. He's got a zigzag on his web. Huh. He looks dangerous. Can you hand me my...
Yeah.
I have a cicada in my nest. We shan't be bringing the spider. A bit of a reprieve there. I'll have to put this on my back. Thank you. Okay. Now then, over there somewhere.
You just got the cicada. Where did it go?
It's here. Oh yeah, he's a crab. He's not a cicada. Look at that. He's got...
Oh
It's a
yes, he's a shrimp. He's a crabfish, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
How did he get there though? That's weird.
He was on the hammock.
Yeah, how did he get on the hammock?
I don't know. Maybe he got washed up there. I don't know. It's pretty high. Maybe a bird took him and dropped him.
Yeah.
Maybe that would be it. So this is the fiddlehead ferns. Well, that was quite the little adventure.
It was.
You never know what you're going to get. Okay, and then this is Terrarium Hillside. Okay. Wow, this root is all out of under. It was way underground, but every year, see, these are. I forget what they're called. Fiddlehead ferns? No. I forget what they're called. Boy, it's really eroding in here. We have a waterfall. Two days of the year or something.
Oh. Do you ever think it'll become a full-fledged waterfall?
No, it's only from the runoff of the winter when the snow melts. I have a rope there, so I can hold on and go right up.
Oh.
But it reeks of effort today. This is cedar hillside on this side. There's a terrarium hammock. Oh, I could use to lie down. Look at this little thing. It is it's kind of like a, well, it's a wild cucumber. Boy, this has eroded quite a lot this year. These are all from my decorations on the porch. Christmas time. Just one more hill. Looks like we made it. I hear the sheep. Somebody's lost.
There you go.
I'm so glad to be home. A long journey.